guys, Dominic here with IRPINO Real Estate. We're back in 2023, so Happy New Year. We're excited. This is our sixth year of doing our local business spotlight. And what better place to do it than a business that's been here since 2014 in the heart of the Uptown Buena Park neighborhood. What's cool here is they have late night hours, great happy hour specials throughout the week. So check out their website for that. And a great place for locals to go. So we're kicking off the new year with an interesting spot to show you might not have known about. Follow me. Happy 2023, everybody. Welcome to Drinkin' Inc. Hi guys, we're back in January to feature another local business spotlight here in the Buena Park Uptown neighborhood. And we're here with Josh Herbener, the general manager of Drinkin' Inc. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
So the first question, could you tell us a little bit more about your business?
We opened up back in 2014. I wasn't here at the very open, but came around the next January and became the general manager right before shutdown, January of 2020. Funny enough, we did a rehab back then. We were closed for 10 days. Well, we installed the lava lamps and made some other changes in here. And then a month after that, we were closed for 3 months because of COVID.
And then reopened right after.
And we reopened after that. We've had a great year. We had our busiest weekend we've ever had just this last weekend. Yeah, we run a happy hour 7 days a week. Almost, I've never heard of anybody ever doing that, but we do it 2 hours a day, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., 7 days a week.
Love that happy hour. Yeah. Great specials, check them out. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you.
So Josh, what can people expect from maybe someone that's never been here before when they come in, and what would you recommend they try?
So first thing most people notice, or what maybe they're looking for, is the tattoo factory next door is running at all times. People are getting work done and they want to come in and maybe watch their friends get work done. They have a seat right here at the bar. They order up maybe a shot and a beer. We've got a PBR with a shot of well whiskey for $7. We also have a whole host of specialty cocktails we got here. Probably the one on here I recommend right now is called a Paper Plane. It was originally invented for the Violet Hour, which is a pretty famous cocktail bar here in Chicago, and I decided to steal it from my little bar. And that one actually comes with an actual paper plane garnish on there.
Really?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It's equal part cocktail of bourbon, Amaro, Aperol, and lemon juice. Fantastic. Give it a try.
Thank you. I love some bourbon.
Paper plane.
So you've mentioned you've been here since 2014. Curious as to why you all chose to open your business here.
Well, Drinkin' Inc. is tethered to the Tattoo Factory. This was part of Tattoo Factory originally. This was just kind of more gallery space for the shop. And then they threw up these walls and built this little bar out. Took a little while, but yeah.
That's cool. I didn't know that.
Yeah. I never saw that. I never was aware of this place until I started working here. So I don't know what it looked like back then.
It's convenient because it's right there, the Tattoo Factory. And I have friends that actually place wagers on which body part everybody's going to get tattooed. And I'm not going to say any names, but they have a lot of fun doing it. Thanks for sharing.
You're welcome.
What's your favorite part about being in the Uptown Buena Park community? And what would be some of your top recommendations for people to go see and do?
Something I like, especially working here, we get a lot of industry folk. I've been in the restaurant bar business for about 14 years now, and a lot of one beds, a lot of studios around here. So I get a lot of servers and bartenders that come through here. They are often coming from all parts of the country. It's a very transient neighborhood. People will be here for a few years and then they'll pick up and move on, and then I get a new batch of people. It's fun every spring. People will come in and be like, oh, we moved in last fall and we didn't go anywhere all winter. And then they finally make it out here in the springtime, which is always nice.
Cool. Yeah. It's very diverse.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you. My favorite question, and excited to kick off 2023 with this one. If you had one superpower, Josh, what would it be?
Behind the bar, being Iceman would be very helpful for obvious reasons, but probably Quicksilver would be the best for providing the fastest service. And yeah, I would say Quicksilver.
That's a first. That's a first.
Very quick.
Thank you thank you for sharing. So Josh, last question. When are you open?
We are open Monday through Friday, 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Saturdays and Sundays we open at noon, and Saturday nights we close at 3 a.m.
Pretty late.
Yeah, we got a door guy.
Well, thank you for joining us. We appreciate it. Thank you for being a big part of our community.
Thanks for having me.
Our pleasure. And thank you guys for joining us again. Happy 2023, Happy New Year. Our 6th year, we're so excited. Make sure to follow us on social media, Instagram, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you to QHI Media for all of our video shoots. Be safe, be well. Excited to be back, everybody. Make it a great day. Welcome to Drinking Inc.
Cheers.
Eye contact.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Here we go.
Delicious.
That was a good year. I think that's an 18. Woo!